Okay, pwede po natin silang palakpakan. And yung may everyone please will stand up. Ready na po natin yung ating mga camera. Ito na po yung pinaka-content ng lahat. And let's see how. Okay ka na hintos dyan. Yung prepare po si Lester. Okay. As Lester De Vera and Marjorie Reyes have willingly and wholeheartedly consented to join in this union, we have borne witness to this blessed moment in the presence of God. By the divine authority entrusted to me through God's gracious call, affirmed by the Doulos for Christ World Harvest Church, and sanctioned by the laws of this country, I now declare them husband and wife. Let it be known to all that in accordance with the divine plan, God has united these two souls as one. It is a union that transcends human limitations and surpasses the boundaries of earthly institutions. Therefore, I proclaim that no power or institution established by humans shall have the ability to separate what God has joined together. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my great pleasure to introduce to you, for the very first time, Mr. and Mrs. Lester and Marjorie De Vera. May your journey through life be blessed with everlasting love and happiness. Congratulations. Lester, you may now kiss your bride.
Diba, pre? Pre, baka suntukin, pre. Pre, baka suntukin.
Wait, practice pa lang kayo. Isa pa. Okay, pwede ba natin nasa ating chair? Okay, again, Lester, you may now kiss your bride.